Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about your business unit number 1 submission to the My IT Lab system. So let's take a look at this together. I have on the screen your submission, and I've already downloaded it from My IT Lab. I've highlighted the cells that we're working with, and when I go to cell styles, ooh, it just barely fits on the screen, but can you see under the custom, this little custom guy is what is indicated as the setting. It doesn't read it as heading 4 if I were to choose that heading 4. And you're right, so it does look slightly different. I'm going to get it back down here on the screen again. And why it's not sticking, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manually award those points. The skill that we're looking for is that you're able to apply those cell styles, which I know you do. You've explained to me the steps that you've taken. So I'm going to go ahead and manually award those points. This is a very rare instance where I'm going to manually award points over the system. Usually we just need to find the solution that the system is looking for. Thank you so much for emailing me so that we could sort of figure this out. And then if you have any problems in the future, just email me again. All right, thank you.